Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many of you are probably wondering if it's possible to connect your PlayStation 5 console directly to an Oculus Quest 2 headset for an immersive gaming experience. It's a really common question, especially with both being such popular VR platforms. However, when it comes to playing actual virtual reality games, the straightforward answer is no, not directly. These two systems operate on completely separate, closed ecosystems, which makes a direct link for VR gameplay simply impossible at this time. The core reason for this incompatibility lies in their design philosophies. PlayStation VR is Sony's proprietary system, specifically engineered to work only with PlayStation consoles. On the other hand, the Oculus Quest 2, now known as Meta Quest 2, is part of Meta's ecosystem, built for standalone experiences and PC virtual reality. They simply don't have the shared protocols or drivers to communicate directly, much like trying to connect a Nintendo Switch game to an Xbox. Unfortunately, there aren't any official adapters or software solutions that allow you to connect these two systems for a true virtual reality gaming experience. No hardware dongle or PC application will magically make PlayStation 5 VR games playable on your Quest 2, or vice versa. They're designed as completely separate platforms, meaning you can't just plug them together and start playing your favorite PSVR titles on a Quest headset. The only way you could ever get your PlayStation 5's content onto a Quest 2 is extremely indirect, and it won't be in virtual reality. You would first need to use PlayStation Remote Play to stream your PS5 screen to a PC or Mac. Then, from that computer, you could use a PC VR application, like Virtual Desktop or Oculus Link, to display that PC's screen within your Quest 2 headset. Remember, this only shows your PS5 flat, two-dimensional output, not actual VR games, and latency will be a factor. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, it's highly improbable that Sony and Meta will introduce direct cross-platform VR compatibility between these specific headsets. Both companies are heavily invested in their own unique virtual reality ecosystems and hardware. So, for the best and most intended virtual reality gaming experiences, it's always recommended to use the PlayStation VR headset with your PS5 and your Quest 2 for its native games or PC VR titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.